Now, case 2. A minus B squared. If you want to expand this normally, we have A minus B into A minus B. Then what do? We pick the first one, we multiply everything. A into what? A minus B. Then we use the second one, minus B into what? This same A minus B. Then expanding, what do we have? A square, A times A, that's A square. A times minus B, minus AB. Then minus B times A, we have minus AB. Minus B times minus B, what do we have? Plus B squared, because minus times minus is plus. Now, this is A squared minus AB, minus AB. How many minus AB do we have? 2. So we have minus 2AB plus B squared. So it means that when you have A minus B squared, this is a perfect square, is the same thing as A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So this is the second algebraic identity. So let's take examples. Examples. 1. Expand 2 minus D squared. Expand 2 minus D squared. Solution. 2 minus D squared. Now, based on the principle of the algebraic identity, you can see the first one, which is A squared, the first one, then multiply by, then you have the product of the first and the second. The first and the second, A and B. Then times 2. 2 times A times B. That's the meaning. Because this one can be written as A squared minus 2 into A into B. Then plus B squared. Now let's apply this. We are going to have this to be what? 2 squared minus 2 into, the first one is 2. The second one is D. Then plus the square of the last one. The first one square minus 2 times the first one into second one, then plus the square of the last expression, just like this. So we simplify this. 2 squared, that's 2 times 2, that is 4. Minus 2 times 2, that's minus 4. So we have minus 4D here, then plus D squared. That is a solution to the problem. Thank you.